Welcome everyone to the Twinsburg Open House for 2021-2022. My name is Joe Schiavone. I am going to be your student's math teacher for either pre-calc, honors pre-calc, or regular calculus. My goals simply for this year, if your child is in pre-calc or honors pre-calc, is to get them ready for calculus or AP calculus. And if your student is in calculus, I want them to have such a solid foundation that if they go on to take calculus later on, they can either test out of it or have such a good foundation that they can get an A. So those are the goals briefly for the year. A little bit about me. This is my 23rd year of teaching, 17th here at Twinsburg. I've taught everything from Algebra 1 to AP Calc. The only classes I have not taught are statistics and geometry. I am a Nordonia High School graduate. Please don't hold that against me. Back in 1994, I went on to Mount Union College where I earned my Bachelor of Science in Mathematics. And after that, I was able to obtain my Master's in Curriculum and Technology from the University of Phoenix, which is ironically an online institution. So I was doing the online education before your student was thrusted into that the past couple years. I'm a big sports and movie buff, so I like talking about that as well with the students. So that's just a brief overview for myself. Contact information. Don't be afraid to contact me about anything, please. Email is the quickest, and I will be able to get back to you as soon as possible. I leave my email open all day. Phone, you can obviously leave me a voicemail if you want, and I will get back to you as soon as possible for that. So, some class information. Yeah, for pre-calc and calc, we're going to have homework. Homework is going to be through our new textbook. We have a new online resource with our new textbook for pre-calc. It will be with My Math Lab. Homework is worth 25% of their grade, but honors pre-calc, it's going to be for 20%. For calculus, we will still use Delta Math, that program that we used last year as well, and still 25% of their grade. Assessments will be 75%. Honors pre-calc will be 80%. Quizzes are broken up throughout the chapter. Chapter tests are obviously at the end of each chapter as we progress throughout the year. Google Classroom, which I'm sure you're all familiar with, we will use Google Classroom for everything. There will be uh, an organized, detailed section in the Google Classroom that will contain a PDF version of the notes posted that day or the day after, and hopefully some YouTube videos that will help reinforce each lesson. I will also use Google Classroom to communicate with the students. For example, like, hey, your homework is going to be due in the next 2 days, or here are the details of your upcoming tests, which outline how many points and how many questions and things of that nature. Students are also encouraged to ask questions through Google Classroom if there's anything that they have questions on for upcoming events or homework or quizzes and tests. So the materials needed on a daily basis are the following. They need a notebook. We take a lot of notes. We do a lot of examples throughout the lesson, and calc and pre-calc can use their notes on the quizzes. So a detailed notebook will definitely benefit your student with that. Chromebook. Need to have a Chromebook. We will use our Chromebook for Desmos for help graphing. But as I told many of them, while Desmos is nice and it's a great tool, we will also need our graphing calculator because trying to prepare the majority of the students for the ACT, we need a graphing calculator. And so I will be showing tips and tricks of the graphing calculator throughout the year. I do have social media. I'm on Twitter at Mr. _Schiavone, and I have my own YouTube channel where a lot of my videos for class notes and things of that nature. So, looking forward to a great year, and please don't hesitate to reach out. And good luck to all of you.